The MSI MAG Z890 TOMAHAWK Max Wi-Fi is a robust, full-size ATX motherboard designed to balance value, performance, and practicality. With its 16+1+1 phase VRM power delivery, each phase rated at 90 amps, the board can comfortably handle moderate overclocking on Intel's latest Ultra 7 chip, while staying cool thanks to generously sized VRM heatsinks. As Intel's Z890 chipset is positioned for high-performance builds, MSI made sure the MAG Z890 TOMAHAWK Max is packed with modern features. You get 3 PCIe by 16 slots, 1 reinforced for your GPU, 4 M2 slots including a lightning-fast Gen 5 slot, dual 2.5 GB LAN, and the newest Wi-Fi 7 standard. There's also an impressive rear I/O selection, multiple USB-C ports including a 20 gigabits per second USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 port, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, and a BIOS flashback button. In terms of memory support, the motherboard comes with 4 DDR5 UDIMM slots, supporting speeds up to 9,200 plus megatransfers per second via XMP profiles. The slots are placed far enough from the CPU socket, making it easier to install larger CPU air coolers or AIO water coolers without clearance issues. For storage, the 4 M2 slots all come with heatsinks, but similar to competing boards, only the primary slot includes dual-sided thermal pads. Aesthetically, the MAG Z890 TOMAHAWK Max Wi-Fi leans towards a clean, stealthy look. The matte black PCB and brushed aluminum heatsinks look sophisticated, and there's a subtle touch of RGB lighting built into the chipset heatsink and under the I/O shroud. For those who prefer less lighting, the RGB is modest and can easily be turned off or synced with other components. Installation is also straightforward thanks to MSI's thoughtful design touches. The primary PCIe slot has a PCIe Easy latch to simplify GPU installation and removal, while the M2 slots use toolless latches instead of screws. MSI also updated the DIMM slots with a single-sided latch, making it easier to add or replace RAM modules. If you're looking at alternatives, there are other Z890 boards like the Asus TUF Gaming Z890 Plus Wi-Fi or the Gigabyte Z890 Aorus Elite. The Asus TUF is competitively priced and has a similar feature set, though it lacks the PCIe Easy latch and extra USB ports found on the MSI. Meanwhile, the Gigabyte Aorus Elite comes with slightly more aggressive aesthetics and RGB, but can cost a bit more. Overall, the MSI MAG Z890 TOMAHAWK Max Wi-Fi isn't the cheapest option on the market, but when you consider its build quality, feature set, and ease of installation, it's a fantastic choice. To sum up, what I like is the balanced pricing for a Z890 board, the clean, understated design, and the PCIe Easy Latch and toolless M2 installation. On the downside, there's only one M2 slot that includes dual-sided thermal pads, it could use a few extra high-speed USB ports up front, and RGB may be too subtle for those who want a flashier build.